Well, today we're opening a box from Autel, the IM608 PRO 2. I'll see how she looks. Pretty good packaging. Definitely want to make sure that the product is taken care of with this bad boy. Okay, let's see here. Quite the box. And let's see here. These bad boys open. Okay. There we go. Autel 608 PRO 2. IM608 PRO 2. In here we have our, can you see? Oh, you can't. There we go. Our J2534 device, VCI. Very nice. Oh, we got our connections for our Autel XP400 Pro. Very nice. In-circuit and out-of-circuit testing and programming. More connectors for that. Quite a nice tablet. Well, I'm going to have to plug it in and, oh, here we go. MaxiIM. Let that boot for a moment. Okay. Well, we can go through that later. Don't want to do anything just yet. Not on camera anyhow. So we'll shut her down for a bit. Power off. Okay, there we go. All right, the instruction manual. Some pretty important things in there. It's reading online about not connecting the XP400 to the data link connector. Pretty important detail. Let the magic smoke out pretty quick. So we'll go ahead and put this back in the meantime. Well, let's see what we got up here. Oh, we got power connectors, more in-circuit, out-of-circuit testing adapters. Our looks like our USB-B connector and our VCI to our OBD2 connector, as well as a sniffer and a few other components in there. Pretty nice. Go ahead and put this back. Oh, adapter for the XP400 Pro. So what else we got over here? Okay. We've got our OBD2 to VCI cable here. So the other one evidently was not. Here's our power charger. And these are for the out-of-circuit testing. The circuit boards to solder your chips to and use with the XP400 Pro. Very nice. Okay, along with this, we got the G box for doing Mercedes, BMW, European vehicles. Wow, plenty of packing in there. There's our G box 3, G box 3. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got in here. And all the associated cables and attachment points again. Resistors, fuses. So pretty cool. Pretty excited about getting this all tested out. We've got a few keys to, or a few vehicles to make keys for. So we'll get that going in a later video. Let's see what else we have here. We have the APB112, which is a key emulator. So we can emulate our keys. Learn more about this as we go. I'm just learning. And hopefully we can learn together. Let's see, there we go. Key emulator. In the bottom of this box we got something else. Oh, cable. Okay, perfect. Then we have one last box here. That's pretty exciting. Quite exciting, actually. I have no sense in that right now. The IM608. I do believe this is a cloth case, so don't want to cut through that. And sure enough, it is. Okay, let's see what we got in here. More circuit boards. So that's pretty cool. More circuit boards for the XP400 Pro. So we can do our out of circuit testing and programming. Cool. Well, thank you guys.